The World Health Organization on Monday night said that the COVID-19 variant first found in India will be referred to as Delta, while earlier found variant in the country will be known as Kappa. The labels don't replace existing scientific names which convey important scientific information and will continue to be used in research. No country should be stigmatized for detecting and reporting COVID variants. Dr. Maria Van Kerkhove, technical lead COVID-19 at WHO. The B.1.617 variant of COVID-19 was first detected in India and had caused the second wave of the pandemic in the country. As per the WHO, the variant has now been found in 53 countries. B.1.617.1, B.1.617.2 and B.1.617.3. The update gave a breakup of prevalence of the three sublineages of the B.1.617 variant in countries, territories and areas as of May 25th. According to it, B.1.617.1 is found in 41 countries, B.1.617.2 in 54 countries, and B.1.617.3 in 6 countries. In addition, information for the B.1.617.1, B.1.617.2 sublineages was received by WHO from unofficial sources in 11 countries, including China, and will be reviewed as more information becomes available. WHO has declared B.1.617 as a variant of concern, and the update noted that this variant has increased transmissibility. It noted that disease severity is under investigation and the risk of reinfection is under investigation as well. Despite a declining global trend over the past 4 weeks, incidence of COVID-19 cases and deaths remain high, and substantial increases have been observed in many countries throughout the world, the WHO said last week. It further said that the Southeast Asia region reported over 2 million new cases and over 32,000 new deaths, a 21% decrease and a 4% increase respectively compared to the previous week. News Desk, Kaumudy English.